How to install TradingView on laptop. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you need to open a new browser tab and search for TradingView desktop here. And after typing that, as you can see, the TradingView desktop application is here. You just have to simply click on the TradingView desktop application, and whatever system you are using, you just have to simply click on that. I'm using Windows, so I'll just click on TradingView for Windows and wait for the file to be downloaded. As you can see, the 129 MB file will be downloaded, and then I can begin the installing of the TradingView app. So the file has been downloaded successfully, as you can see here. So you just have to simply click on the folder icon of here and then double click on the TradingView, and the app installer will be started. And as you can see, so we just have to simply click on install, and always try to remember to click on this launch when ready and click on install. And the TradingView app is now starting to install on my device, and it's been successfully installed. No. So the TradingView app now is successfully installed and opened on my laptop or PC. So let's just wait to load, and you can just click on sign in with browser and then sign into your TradingView account, and then you can just start using the TradingView app from here. So that's it for this video. That's how you install TradingView app on your desktop. See you on the next video, guys.